Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing my January Boxycharm. So I want to just quickly say that I know I haven't posted a video in like over a week. I kind of like accidentally took a little break from like YouTube and Instagram a little bit. Sometimes I get in these moods where I just don't feel like filming or putting on makeup, but yeah, I'm back and I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm. So this month's theme is breaking the ice. This is what the card looks like, and I got variation number 25, right? Yeah, 25 right there. So the first thing that I'm gonna start out with is the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn eyeshadow palette, and this palette retails for $34.99. Now this was a choice item. It was either between the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn eyeshadow palette or the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk, I think that's what it's called, or there was a Dr. Brandt eye cream, and I decided to choose this palette. This is what the inside looks like. It's so pretty. The other palette from Ace Beauty was more of like pinky berry tones, and I already have quite a few palettes that look like that, so I chose this one because I really liked the colors. I thought it was kind of unique and different. Yeah, I just really liked the colors. That's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I really love how this look turned out. I love Ace Beauty's eyeshadows. They're super pigmented and they blend out really easy, and they're just really pretty. So the next thing that I'm going to pull out of my box is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer, and this concealer retails for $25. And I was really hoping I was going to get this in my box because I got the little sample pack of this concealer a few Boxycharms ago, and I really loved this concealer. But I will say that I'm not wearing this concealer today. I'm wearing the new e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, but I did notice when I did wear this the other day that the consistency was a little bit different than it was in the little like sample pack. In the sample pack it was more like thick, and not like thick heavy feeling, but it was like more opaque. I don't know, just it was. And in the full size when I wore it the other day, it seemed like the consistency was more like thin. I don't know like why it was different than the sample pack. Maybe that's just mine, but I just wanted to point that out. But I still really like the concealer. This shade I got, Little White Lies, is a really good shade match for me, and it is lightweight and it's medium to full coverage, and yeah, I just really like the finish of it. It looks really smooth on my under eyes and it doesn't look dry or anything, so I'm really happy to have the full size of it because, like I said, when I got the sample pack I really liked it, so I'm really happy that I got this in my box. So the next thing that I got in my box is from Skin & Co, and it's the Face Gommage, or however you say it. It's just a face exfoliator, and this retails for $28. I actually got this in my December Ipsy as a add-on, so I'm not gonna be opening this or anything. I still have the seal on it. I'll probably save this for a giveaway just because I do already have it and I do really like it. It's a really nice gentle exfoliator, but it still like exfoliates all your dry dead skin off. I really love their cleanser of this version that I had gotten in a previous Boxycharm. That has become my holy grail favorite cleanser. I already have a backup bottle ready to go when I run out of that cleanser, but yeah, I do really like this. And then the next thing that I got in my box is from Manna Kadar. I think that's how you say it. It's their liquid lipstick, or on the card it says Beauty Lip Whip. This retails for $21 and I got the shade Faith. It's just a really pretty like rosy red color. I know it kind of doesn't really go very well with the eyes. I feel like it's a little too red tone, but I still wanted to put it on to show you guys what it looked like on. I like this so far. My lips don't feel dry or anything. It is like a tad bit sticky, like when you like push your lips together, but that doesn't ever bother me. I know it bothers some people, but yeah, I do like the color. Like I said, I don't think it really goes well with my eyes, but I'll definitely wear this again. I really do like the color, and the formula is really lightweight, and my lips don't feel dry or anything, so yeah, I really like this so far. And then the last thing that I got in my box is from Avant. I think that's how you say it. This is just what the packaging looks like, and it's their 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. And when I opened up my box and I read the card to see like what the prices were before I did this video, I literally was so shocked. My like jaw dropped at the price of this little sleeping mask, because this is only 1.69 fluid ounces, and you're probably never gonna guess how much this is. This sleeping mask retails for $107, like right where my finger is. I don't know if you can see that, but $107 for this little tube. And I did look it up online to see if like this was an actual full size, and because this is like a European brand or European product or whatever, I found it on their website, and on their website it comes in a little like a little jar like this. It said the same fluid ounces as this, and it was the same price. So I tried this once, and it just kind of felt like a moisturizer, and when I woke up the next day, I mean, my skin was nice and soft, but I don't think that this is worth $107. It just feels like a moisturizer, but yeah, when I saw the price, I was so shocked. I could not believe how expensive this is. So yeah, that was everything in my January 2020 Boxycharm. I know this video was pretty quick, because usually I would try this stuff on like the eyeshadow palette and all that, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got and everything. My favorite thing is definitely the palette. It's just so pretty, and I love the colors in it. Here's a close-up for you guys. It's just super pretty, and I really like the look that I did today. So yeah, I definitely would say the palette is my favorite thing out of the box, and then the concealer, the lipstick, and I do love the scrub. Like I said, I already have this, so this one will be for a giveaway, and I'm not really too sure about the sleeping mask. I think it's definitely way overpriced, but I'll probably keep testing it out. So yeah, that was everything in my box. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.